there's a tea coming out. Baby bird is coming out.
That's right. You see the egg?
Yeah. It's Kathy. It's coming out.
You're right, it's cracking.
It's cracking.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-oh.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Let it do it.
And then do with the bacon.
Oh, there it goes.
Look at him going! Look at it going! It's a baby bird! Hi there, baby bird!
So close.
Scoot back a little.
Hi,
Not so close.
Look at the birdie. Look at the baby bird hiding.
Mm-hmm.
It's hiding. It's coming out.
It's trying to come out of the egg.
Mm-hmm. It's eating them! They're eating them! Go, go! It's eating them! It's in the egg! They're gonna fly! They're gonna fly! They're gonna fly!
When they grow up, they'll fly. Baby birds can't fly.
Oh no! Them have fun up in the car.
You can see its feet on the inside of the egg, like pushing.
Oh, it's the feet! It's coming out. Look at the map. Oh, look at
Bring your
you.
face back. Don't
Not
get
so
too
close,
close.
sweetie.
We don't want
Not
to
so
scare
close.
them.
Not so
Oh,
close.
there it goes.
Oh, it's so cute.
Mhm.
Yeah. You can touch it.
That's right.
It's so cute.
Actually, I think the baby bird's kind of ugly, but they get cuter when they're bigger.
Look at them head. Look at them head.
It's trying.
Then go to sleep.
Babies sleep a lot.
Baby sleep and take a nap in the morning.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Hey, stop!
Don't kick it, Annie.
Okay. What happened? You break it.
I'm not gonna break it.
I hold it. I hold it. Hi there, baby boys. Hi, boys.
Evelyn, don't touch, honey. Good job.
Hi there. Hi. You won't call my name? They can't call my name.
What? They can't say your name. Birdies can't talk. These birdies can't talk. There it goes, there it goes.
You go.
He's out.
It's a baby cap. It's a baby one coming cap. It's a baby cap.
There he is.
It's a baby egg.
Look, he got out of the egg.
Look, it's coming out through the egg. Go, 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 go. Go, go, bird. Oh. Hi there.
Don't shake it. Don't shake it. It's okay.
Hi there. Hi there, baby bird. It's coming out in the egg.
It came out of the egg.
Cause it's coming out again.
Yeah.
Oh, it's coming out.
It made it out of the egg.
It's not made it. Hi there, can you touch them?
No, we don't touch them. If we touch them, it's mommy. You'll be scared.
Oh, it's so cute coming out. The penguin coming out.
There it is. Ah, look at it. There it is.
There it is. It's going to sleep. It's going to
that pretty neat? What did we just see? What happened?
It popped out an egg.
It popped out of the egg?
Yeah.
It did.
Yeah.